Hello, my name is Pharmacist Michael. I am a pharmacist board certified in psychiatry, and today I'm going to talk about Moringa, the new superfood. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
You know, in a world that's constantly on the hunt for the next big thing in health and nutrition, Moringa oleifera, commonly known just as Moringa, has been touted as the new superfood. This label has been bestowed upon many foods over the years, but Moringa seems to stand out for a variety of reasons. We're going to talk about what makes Moringa a candidate for this title, examining its nutritional content, health benefits, potential downsides, and how it stacks up against other superfoods. What is Moringa? Well, it's native to parts of Africa and Asia. Moringa is a tree whose leaves, seeds, and even stems have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's known as the drumstick tree due to the shape of its seed pods. In the West, it's mainly the leaves that are dried and powdered for use as dietary supplements. But what has sparked the recent interest in Moringa is the claim that it's a powerhouse of nutritional value. Moringa's profile reads like a dream for anybody interested in nutrition. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like calcium and potassium. It's a rare plant source of essential amino acids, making it a great supplement for vegetarians and vegans. Moringa leaves also contain antioxidants, compounds that help fight off damaging free radicals in the body. Moringa leaves are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are crucial for immune function, skin health, and vision. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, rare for a plant, making it a complete protein source. The leaves have high levels of antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. The extensive nutritional content of Moringa contributes to a wide range of health benefits. Some of these benefits are backed by scientific research, while others are more anecdotal. Antioxidants in Moringa can reduce inflammation, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. Some studies suggest Moringa may help in regulating blood sugar levels, which is vital for managing diabetes. Antioxidants found in Moringa might also help in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Its high antioxidant profile also supports brain health and cognitive function. The fiber in Moringa aids digestion and can help with gastrointestinal issues. In traditional medicine systems, Moringa has been used for a variety of purposes. It's believed to cure or prevent diseases ranging from anemia to asthma, digestive disorders, and even cancer. While some of these claims are supported by preliminary research, many require further scientific backing. Moringa often gets compared to other superfoods like kale, quinoa, and spirulina. While each of these has its unique nutritional profile, Moringa stands out for its combination of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It's important to note that no single food can provide all the nutrition one needs for a healthy life. Moringa powder can be added to smoothies, juices, and teas. It has a spinach-like flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in cooking. Moringa seeds can be roasted, and the oil extracted from them is used in cooking as well as in skincare products. Like any supplement, overconsumption of moringa can lead to side effects such as nausea and indigestion. Moringa can also interact with certain medications. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement is always advised. Due to a lack of research, pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid moringa. Moringa is not only nutritious, but also a sustainable crop. It grows quickly, requires little water, and most parts of the plant can be used, minimizing waste. But with any trendy food, there is a risk of overcommercialization, leading to unsustainable farming practices. Moringa does seem to live up to its superfood status, with its impressive range of nutrients and health benefits. It is important to remember, though, that it should complement a balanced diet rather than replace other food groups. Its potential as a sustainable crop is an added bonus in our environmentally conscious world. The bottom line is that while moringa is a powerful addition to one's diet, it's not a magic bullet for health. Combining a variety of food sources remains the best path to overall wellness. As more research emerges, we may continue to uncover the many ways moringa can contribute to health. But for now, it certainly deserves a place in the conversation about superfoods. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like more information on happy, healthy living, medications, supplements, and disease processes, please subscribe to our channel. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.